So why there is a rise of black fungal infection in COVID patients, especially the hospitalized patient here in India? If you guys are thinking it's because of the hospitals, they're not properly sterilizing their instruments or the hygiene is not proper, that's not most likely the case. The case is people wearing their masks for too long. So basically there are two types of masks which people wear, surgical or cloth mask and N95. So N95 mask can be used up to a week. Maybe it is supposed to be changed within 2 to 5 days max, but maybe a week. And surgical mask, which is that normal green color, blue color mask, is supposed to be thrown daily and new one should be worn daily. Cloth mask is washable, reusable. So mostly people wear surgical mask and N95. Here in India, I've seen people wearing surgical mask and N95 mask for more than a week. A surgical mask is worn over a week, and an N95 mask even longer. And the thing is, people don't wash them, and you're not supposed to, anyways, wash these masks. So what happens is, generally, when you go out for shopping, you wear, or when you go out, you wear masks on an average of 2 to 3 hours. So when you go out, you come back, your normal air which you exhale has some amount of humidity in it, so that humidity is retained in that mask. So now when you come back home, you keep that mask some in some place very shady, in your room where there is no direct sunlight and not much of air, right? So this is a perfect breeding ground for fungus. Fungus grows in cold, dark, humid environment. So, and once you wear that mask back, you're more likely to inhale the spores. So the question is, why here in India, not any place else? First of all, because the people reuse their mask, which they are not supposed to, and for much longer. And secondly, not everybody gets this infection. Only patients who are hospitalized and then they come back after 2 to 3 days or 7 days, they develop this condition. Why is that? It's because when you're hospitalized, doctors usually give you immunosuppressants which suppress your immunity, like corticosteroid. So basically COVID when overwhelms your system, especially immune system, and which starts attacking your other organs. So to suppress that, they give you immunosuppressants like corticosteroids. So the negative side effect of that is corticosteroids definitely decreases your immunity, so you're more susceptible to any infection, whether it's bacterial, fungal, any infection. So your body defense is low. And secondly, it also increases your glucose in your blood. So glucose is something sugar, and if you have ever had bread kept longer in cold, dark place, humid place, like outside for long, you would see mold growing on that. So that's exactly what happens. And the patient's defense system, the immunity is low, plus the hygiene, the mask already has those spores, and plus you're reusing those masks. So that causes this to happen. So what is the takeaway in this? At least wash your masks. Ideally, you should not wash N95 mask. So keep changing it regularly, and at least if you can't wash, keep it in direct sunlight. I'm sure most of Indians cannot afford to buy masks, but at least you can keep it in direct sunlight. It's like a UV sterilization. And and especially when you are out of the hospital, you please take care of hygiene so that this doesn't happen. So it's easily preventable, but if you don't, it's highly deadly. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Be safe out there, especially people who, if you know your family member, friends, just pass this video along so that they can understand this, and let's get out of this pandemic soon. So up till the next time, I'm Gorby. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.